Realme launched two new smartphones under Neo series in China called Realme Neo 7X and Realme Neo 7 SA. Among these two, the Realme Neo 7 SE is the higher variant, with more features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Realme Neo 7 SE smartphone. The Realme Neo 7 SE features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution 8T LTPO OLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 6000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Max chipset, paired with Mali G720MC7 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8, 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. In terms of optics, the Realme Neo 7 SE sports a dual-camera setup under squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 80 watts smart flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.53 by 76.27 by 8.56 millimeters, and it weighs around 212 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme Neo 7 SE has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Mecha Blue, Pearl White, and Dark Gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Neo 7 SE smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.